plus icon. You can select the matching rule and the rule we are defined already in the application, that rule you are going to select. Here we are not going to create any. We are just providing the sequence under rule set and if you define multiple reconciliation matching rules, right? So those rules we are going to set some sequence. Okay. So while performing the reconciliation, system will check this sequence. First, which rule we have to check. Next, which rule we need to validate, like that. If we have a multiple rules in the application defined. So let me choose one rule. So tolerance rule also, Andy. So while you are choosing the matching rules, we have to choose the tolerance rule as well. So based on the tolerance rule, if any difference in the amount, system will accept and match it, Andy. Let me select. We have not saved any tolerance rule. We'll take existing tolerance rule, Andy. Okay. So like this, you need to add. Yeah, you can add additional also second sequence. You can see sequence number 2. So like this, you can add more reconciliation rules. And if you define 10 reconciliation rule, you have to add those all reconciliation rule with respective to the tolerance rule as well. So one matching rule, one tolerance rule, you need to add it. Right? And this reconciliation rule set we are defining here, right? We are going to assign at your bank account level at day. So all the rules you have added here, right? The reconciliation, matching rule and tolerance rule is going to apply to the bank account at day. Okay. We are just defining the rule set, reconciliation rule set, and adding your reconciliation matching rule and the tolerance rule you defined and it. And you are giving the sequence as well for the reconciliation matching rules and tolerance rules. Yeah. So this way system is going to work on it. So now we have to assign this reconciliation rule set to your bank account level and it. So next setup is assign the reconciliation rule set to your bank account level. So while you are performing the reconciliation, okay, we are going to choose a bank statement, Andy. So bank account level, you are going to perform the reconciliation. Okay, the ideal logic is we are talking about bank statement, right? Once we receive the bank statement related to particular bank account, for that particular bank account, your bank statement reconciliation you are going to perform. That way, that's why we are assigning the reconciliation rule set to your bank account level. Okay. So that system will understand, okay, this bank account is having this reconciliation rule, matching rules. Okay. If I am performing this reconciliation process, I need to consider this matching rules and reconciliation matching rules and tolerance rules assigned under reconciliation rule set. ఓకేనా. సో మనం ఏ బ్యాంక్ స్టేట్మెంట్ కి అయితే రికన్సిలేషన్ పర్ఫామ్ చేస్తామో, ఏదైనా మాన్యువల్ రికన్సిలేషన్ కానీ ఆటోమేటిక్ రికన్సిలేషన్ కానీ, బ్యాంక్ అకౌంట్ లెవెల్లో ఏవైతే ఈ రూల్ సెట్ అసైన్ చేసి ఉంటారో దానికి సంబంధించిన మ్యాచింగ్ రూల్స్, టాలరెన్స్ రూల్స్ సిస్టమ్ అనేది చెక్ చేస్తుంది మనం రికన్సిలేషన్ ప్రాసెస్ ఆ బ్యాంక్ స్టేట్మెంట్ కి సబ్మిట్ చేసినప్పుడు. ఓకేనా. సో అందుకనే ఈ మ్యాచింగ్ రూల్స్ కానీ టాలరెన్స్ రూల్స్ కానీ మనము డిఫైన్ చేసినవి రూల్ సెట్ లో అసైన్ చేస్తాము. ఆ రికన్సిలేషన్ రూల్ సెట్ తీసుకెళ్లి బ్యాంక్ అకౌంట్ లెవెల్లో అసైన్ చేస్తాం. ఓకే. సో లెట్ మీ షో యూ దాట్. I have opened already one bank account and let me reopen. So I'm in the manage bank accounts page. Click on search. So HDFC is my bank account, Andy. So this bank account I have already defined in the application. So this I have shown how to define the bank account already in the part of payables module, Andy. I'm not going to show now. So click on edit, and here click on edit. Under controls, okay, you have a cash management control. Cash management related setups we need to selected here. Here you can see manual reconciliation tolerance rule, automatic reconciliation rule set. Okay. So automatic reconciliation rule set, the rule set we defined just before, right? So that rule set we have to assign over here. And what rule set we defined? It's something HDFC like that, right? HDFC. Yeah, HDFC rule set is available, right? Whatever the rule set we define. Okay, that rule set we have to select here. So this is how you can assign the rule set to your bank account level. Okay, and if you want to, if you are performing the automatic reconciliation process, this is going to work on day. Okay, this rule set. And if you want to do manual reconciliation also, then you need to assign the tolerance rule here as well. Manual reconciliation tolerance rule. Okay, whatever the tolerance rule you define, that you need to choose and here. Okay. Normally, automatic reconciliation we will perform until 99%. But if sometimes if any failures are happened, you can go with manual reconciliation. For that purpose also, you need to assign the tolerance rules.